Hey guys, I want to do a quick video about USCIS processing times. So if you've watched any of my other videos, you know that processing times are going to slowly begin increasing under the Trump administration for a variety of reasons. To summarize, there are going to be more interviews for marriage-based green cards and actually all green cards across the board. Naturalization cases are going to begin doing more intense background check vetting. Family units are going to be divided up and processed separately. There could be additional requirements, a reduction in federal government workforce, combined with Trump not wanting to hire more employees. The list goes on and on. So what I want to discuss today is what the current processing times are looking like in March 2025. And I really want to talk about two separate things. One of them is work permits and one of them is green card applications. When it comes to work permits, processing times are actually very fast right now. We are seeing asylum-based work permits getting approved in under a month in some instances. For family-based work permits, so if you have a green card application pending and you apply for employment authorization, we're seeing some instances where work permits get approved in 1 month. Other instances is taking up to 3 to 4 months, but that's still on average pretty fast and pretty consistent with what we saw in the last year of the Biden administration. When it comes to family-based green cards, things seem to be slowing down a little bit. I'm seeing a lot of my marriage-based green card cases taking about a year or a little bit longer than a year. And since Trump's inauguration, I haven't had any marriage-based green card interviews waived. All of my cases have gone to a full interview so far, but I'd be interested in hearing from you in the comments section below if you've had any marriage-based green card interviews waived or heard of any of them getting waived since Trump was inaugurated into office. When it comes to naturalizations, processing times are pretty consistent at 6 to 8 months across the majority of the United States. I'm going to expect the biggest delays when it comes to naturalization cases. In fact, these 6 to 8 months, if you look at the last year of Trump's previous administration, processing times were up to 24 months in some cities. So that's a 4 times increase over the current processing times we're seeing right now. If you're going through the current immigration process, I just want to warn you. I understand that you have a USCIS portal where you can get case processing time estimates based on your current case processing times, but do not look at those. I can't tell you how many times people have told me, yeah, it's gonna take only like 3 months for my family petition to get approved. And 3 months later, it jumps up to like 9 months. And then people contact me freaking out, asking whether they made a mistake or whether they should have filed it using an attorney. It doesn't matter. The USCIS case processing times are just really bad estimates, and they don't actually reflect anything. It doesn't mean someone's actually looking at your case and saying, yeah, I think this one's gonna take about 3 months. Let's update it to 3 months. It's just a computer system giving you approximate estimates. And these are often very incorrect. So do not plan your future, any travel, or any life events based on what these USCIS case processing times are. All right, guys, that brings us to the end of today's video. I make videos several times a week on family-based immigration. I focus on green cards, citizenship, and immigration, deportation, defense litigation. If you have any questions about these topics or you're interested in learning more, be sure to subscribe. I put out several videos a week. If you actually need assistance with your immigration-based case, schedule a consultation directly with me. You can find my information in the video description below. And I'll see you guys next time for another video.